Ever thought about starting a creative side hustle but worried it would cost a fortune? Or maybe you think you need some fancy art degree to make it work. So many of us get stuck right there, dreaming of turning a hobby into cash but not knowing where to start. Well, that's just not true. You can launch a profitable handmade business this weekend, right from your kitchen table, without a huge budget or advanced skills. We're going to walk through 5 ideas for products that people are actually looking for and love to buy. Let's kick things off with a total classic, handmade jewelry. There's a reason this is always a winner. People love it, the demand never really goes away, and you can start with a tiny budget. What's great about jewelry is that even simple pieces can have a really high perceived value. Think about it. Customers love buying unique accessories that feel personal, which means your profit margins can be amazing. You can grab starter kits for beaded bracelets, clay earrings, or cool wire-wrapped pendants for less than $100. Plus, everything is lightweight, so shipping is cheap and easy. The trick is to find your own unique vibe. Are you into minimalist designs, big statement necklaces, or something more boho chic? Nailing down your style is what will make you stand out and build a following of customers who can't get enough of what you do. Idea number 2 requires almost zero physical stuff, selling digital printables. If you're not familiar, a printable is just a digital file that your customer buys, downloads, and prints at home. We're talking weekly planners, budget trackers, wall art, coloring pages, you name it. The business model here is just awesome. You design it once, and you can sell that same file over and over again. No inventory, no shipping costs. It's pretty much the definition of passive income. All you really need to invest is your time and a computer with some basic design software, and a lot of that is free. You could specialize in something like minimalist planners for busy professionals or cute seasonal wall art. Pro tip: bundling your designs together is a super smart way to boost your sales. Alright, next up is an idea that plays right into the huge home decor and self-care trend, handmade candles. Seriously, who doesn't love a good candle? They're always in demand for gifts, making a house smell amazing, or just for chilling out, which makes them a really profitable product. Getting started costs way less than you'd think. You can find cheap starter kits online, or get creative and upcycle cool jars and containers to keep costs super low. The fun part is all the customization. You can play around with different waxes like soy or beeswax, mix up your own unique scents with essential oils, and design gorgeous labels that really make your brand stand out. If you focus on eco-friendly ingredients and unique scents, you'll have a major edge. Let's stick with the booming self-care world for our 4th idea, bath bombs and handmade soaps. More and more, people are actively looking for natural, skin-friendly products without a bunch of weird chemicals. This is one of those areas where the word handmade really signals quality to a customer. Bath bombs are super easy and cheap to make at home with simple stuff like baking soda, citric acid, and essential oils. Soap making is also straightforward, though you'll want to read up on some basic safety steps since you're working with specific ingredients. The profit potential here is huge because these little luxuries often sell for way more than they cost to make. Get creative with fun shapes, cool colors, and all natural ingredients to make your stuff fly off the shelves. And don't forget beautiful packaging. That's half the appeal, especially since these make amazing gifts. And for our last idea, let's talk about custom tote bags and t-shirts. This idea is so smart because it hits on 2 big things people care about right now: personalization and sustainability. Reusable tote bags are everywhere, and a t-shirt with a cool, unique design will always be popular. You definitely don't need to be a fashion designer. Just buy some blank tote bags or t-shirts in bulk, which is super cheap, and then work your magic with fabric paints, iron-on transfers, or even simple embroidery. You can really narrow in on a specific audience, like making designs for college students, local book clubs, or anyone who loves a good sarcastic quote. Plus, offering custom work for events or small businesses is a fantastic way to bring in extra cash. And that's a wrap. 5 awesome, profitable, and totally doable handmade business ideas. Hopefully, this proves you don't need a huge pile of cash or a special degree to start making money from your creative side. Whether it's jewelry, digital planners, or custom tees, there are so many ways to get started. Now I want to hear from you. Which of these ideas got you the most excited? Drop a comment below and let me know what you're thinking of trying. And hey, if you liked this video, do me a favor and hit subscribe and ring that notification bell so you don't miss out on more tips for building a creative business you're passionate about. Thanks so much for watching.